Hey guys, we've got some breaking news, new update from DVSA regarding your driving tests, your theory tests, your driving lessons. Let's go through it. Don't forget to like and share with FM Driving School. So, we already know the first phase of the lockdown has ended today, 8th of March, but we were told 12th of April is when driving tests and theory tests can open up, but now we've been told otherwise. And let me just show it to you. So if we just scroll down, from 29th of March at the earliest you'll be allowed to restart motorcyclists, restart bus. No, we don't really care about that because we're driving school right now. From the 12th of April 2021, you'll be allowed to restart car driving lessons. Driving instructor lessons. Theory test is still going to go ahead on the 12th of April 2021. But the date is subject to change and will be confirmed nearer the time, so things may change. But this is a recent update now. From the 22nd of April, car driving tests will restart. So we were told initially they're going to restart on the 12th, but they're going to give you guys time in order to take driving lessons. If that's good news or bad news, comment below, because obviously those students who got a test from the 12th before the 22nd of April will probably be extremely disappointed. I'm on the Twitter side. There's no updates as of yet on here, but here we go. Car driving test, coronavirus. Okay, check if your driving tests are taking place. So dates when driving lessons and tests can restart in England. Here we go. Driving lessons 12th of April. Driving test 22nd of April, guys. So if we just go through this email here, restarting driving lessons and tests. The proposed day for you to restart driving lessons and training is Monday, 12th of April 2021. We know many of you will want the opportunity to carry out lessons and training before we restart driving tests, and we agree with this. Therefore, tests are due to restart 10 days later on Wednesday, 22nd of April, if government guidance allows. The safety of our customers and examiners is our top priority. Closer to the restart date, we will work with Public Health England to review and check our standard operating procedures. Okay, so the main thing is that's the main reason why they're doing the test on the 22nd of April. So that's the breaking news right now. If you got a test before that, I'm sorry to say, driving test days, it doesn't seem like it's going to happen. Theory test is going ahead, so it might be good news for some of you other students, because obviously you guys want driving lessons to happen so you can prepare for the test. Comment below, let me know. As an instructor, we're now going to be taking in bookings, so you can always check us out on fmdrivingschool.co.uk. And then also you can always check our YouTube channel out for all the latest videos about how to pass your driving test. We've got a video coming up about how to book a driving and theory test within a week, so do watch out for that. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School.